ASTQB wants you to be prepared for the ISTQB Foundation Level Exam. You can download all of the ISTQB Foundation study resources for free on our website. You can also watch free ASTQB Foundation Level Exam prep videos of the must-know items before you take the exam. ISTQB's Foundation Level. 5.3.3 Communicating the status of testing. The best means of communicating test status varies, depending on the test management concerns, organizational test strategies, regulatory standards, or, in the case of self-organizing teams, on the team itself. The options include verbal communication with team members and stakeholders, dashboards, electronic communication channels, online documentation, and formal test reports. One or more of these options can be used. More formal communication may be appropriate for distributed teams where direct face-to-face communication is not always possible due to geographical distance or time differences. Typically, different stakeholders are interested in different types of information, so communication should be tailored accordingly. If you know what software testing is, you will be one step closer to success with your ISTQB Foundation Level Exam from ASTQB. Download the free ISTQB Foundation Level Exam preparation materials today. www.astqb.org